Hey guys, so today I want to talk about this iPhone battery pack with the MagSafe technology from Apple. I'm one of those persons that I'm always running low on my battery on my phone, and it's super annoying like not having a charger or an outlet nearby. So I invested in this battery pack. I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. It comes out like this. I've used it already, but it comes like with the little Apple instructions. And it basically looks like this. It's like super sleek looking. It looks really like aesthetic, like with like on the back of your phone. It has the MagSafe technology, which I'm gonna insert a video over here, but you basically like click it, not click it, but it just like with magnetic technology, it like hooks into your phone in a way, and you can also have like a MagSafe case for it to look nice and aesthetic, and it can charge up your phone up to 90%. So what I usually do is I always have it charged, and I always have it like in my backpack for school, in my purse. So if I'm running out of battery, I just take it out of my bag, put it on the back of my phone, and I'm set. I literally love this thing. Also great for traveling because you're always like on Google Maps or whatever. Great. This is literally has been my lifesaver, and I'm never running low on battery because of this. So yeah, definitely a great investment. And yeah, we all love Apple products, and this one will not disappoint you. So definitely check this out. 100% worth it.